According to scientists, our solar system formed in less than 200,000 years. This is by Anne M. Stark, Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory on phys.org. A long time ago, about 4.5 billion years ago, our sun and solar system formed over the short time span of 200,000 years. That is the conclusion of a group of Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory LLNL scientists after looking at isotopes of the element molybdenum found on meteorites. The material that makes up the sun and the rest of the solar system came from the collapse of a large cloud of gas and dust about 4.5 billion years ago. By observing other stellar systems that form similarly to ours, astronomers estimate that it probably takes about 1 to 2 million years for the collapse of a cloud and ignition of a star, but this is the first study that can provide numbers on our own solar system. They said previously the time frame of formation was not really known for our solar system. This is what LLNL cosmochemist Greg Branecka said. He's the lead author of the paper that appeared in Science magazine. He said this work shows that this collapse, which led to the formation of the solar system, happened very quickly in less than 200,000 years. If we scale this all to a human lifespan, formation of the solar system would compare to pregnancy lasting about 12 hours instead of 9 months. This was a rapid process, he said. The oldest date solids in the solar system are calcium aluminum rich inclusions, CAIs, and these samples provide the direct record of solar system formation. These micrometer to centimeter size inclusions in meteorites formed in a high temperature environment, about 1,300 degrees Kelvin, probably near the young sun. They were then transported outward to the region where carbonaceous chondrite meteorites and their parent bodies formed, where they are found today. The majority of CAIs formed about 4.567 billion years ago over a period of about 40 to 200,000 years, 40,000 to 200,000 years. This is where Lawrence Livermore team comes in. The international team measured the molybdenum, MO is the chemical symbol for it, molybdenum isotopic and trace element compositions of a variety of CAIs taken from carbonaceous chondrite meteorites, including Allende, the largest carbonaceous chondrite found on Earth. That's the Mexico meteorite that was discovered in 1969. You'll see it in the previous, we mentioned it in the previous video to this one. So the largest carbonaceous chondrite found on Earth, because they found that the distinct molybdenum isotopic compositions of CAIs covered the entire range of material that formed in the protoplanetary disk instead of just a small slice. These inclusions must have formed within the time span of cloud collapse. Since the observation time span of stellar accretion, 1 to 2 million years, is much longer than CAIs took to form, the team was able to pinpoint which astronomical phase in the solar system's formation was recorded by the formation of CAIs, and ultimately how quickly the material that makes up the solar system accreted. So that's how they found it. Only 40,000 to 200,000 years it took to form our solar system, according to scientific evidence. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.